Good morning. It's Wednesday, October 18th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Not a lot to talk about again today, but we do have a little bit of weather activity moving in by the end of the week. Radar checks clear, all quiet this morning as we take a look at our temperatures across the area. Pretty chilly. We have some upper 30s in North Georgia, mid 40s to the mid-state, couple of 50s here and there, but all in all, it is a fairly chilly start across the state as we get started this morning, so some somewhat clear skies allowing a lot of that heat of the day of yesterday to escape up in the atmosphere. But with the sunshine today, we'll warm up fairly nicely this afternoon. Checking out the tropics, there's our red X now, continuing to get closer and closer to becoming another tropical system. We may be talking about Tropical Storm Tammy by tomorrow morning, but it just is not a very favorable environment. It is trying to get itself together. The wind shear just breaks it apart again, and that's probably what's going to happen. Just going to be a battle against that shear over the next couple of days, so we're expecting that storm to probably not go anywhere, and we'll keep an eye on it, though. One way or another, we may get another named storm out of that and then watch it break apart and then slide up to the northeast. So, again, we'll keep a close eye on it. Let's take a look at the modeling as we move through the morning hours. Again, nothing much happening. High pressure locked in, mainly over southeast Georgia, but the rest of the state will see mostly sunny skies today. A few clouds building up here and there. We move through the afternoon hours. Also quiet as well. Fairly calm wind. Overnight tonight, few showers starting to move in toward the Georgia coastline. So we're going to start out with a little cloud cover. Brunswick, Kingsland, up into Darien and Savannah, maybe a few scattered showers early tomorrow morning, and they may linger around into the afternoon hours. Other than that, the rest of the state is pretty quiet. Wind's going to start to pick up in northwest Georgia. We have that frontal boundary beginning to push through. You can see the showers up in Alabama, Middle Tennessee. That's part of the boundary, and we may see a little lift just ahead of that line, so a couple of showers possible in the North Georgia mountains as early as tomorrow evening. Going to be a fairly slim chance, but it is possible. Then a good chance of rain, northwest Georgia, as we get going through the overnight hours Thursday night into Friday morning. Into metro Atlanta, Friday for drive time. Going to be a mess, lots of rain all the way across North Georgia down into LaGrange and Columbus and Carrollton. And then those showers continue to push through the state, picking up a little bit of steam in the afternoon. So we do have a general thunderstorm risk for pretty much the eastern half of Georgia as we move through Friday. So we'll see a few embedded thunderstorms with this line. On the backside of this system, cooler and drier air. It's going to be breezy. High school football Friday night. I think most of our thunderstorms will be off the coastline. We could see a few thunderstorms around Waycross, but on the backside of this, just going to be kind of hit or miss showers. So just look out for that, and then those skies will be clearing. So it's very possible you get to the game tomorrow. It's going to be cloudy, maybe a little shower, and by the end of the game, you'll see some stars in the sky. So that line's going to move through fairly quickly. Head on out of here, clear out for the weekend, and yeah, the weekend looks really, really nice across the entire state of Georgia. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.